What's up, y'all? JTSpeeds here. Man, we back with another one. You feel me? So basically, I didn't really show y'all this much, but I be like working on my other truck, I guess you could say. And I'm changing the oil today because it has to get done. And I don't just drive my cars without an oil change. This stuff, I ordered this yesterday thinking it would be possibly 5 quarts, but it was not 5 quarts. Shout out to the bird that pooped out my window. But so I'm gonna go get 5 quarts. I got, damn, my little setup didn't drop it. I gotta go get 5 quarts. Full synthetic 5W20. Got my oil filter. And I got this new gadget here. How you like me now, man? How do I open this? I don't think I can open it. But yeah. Yeah, I'm like smelling gas fumes or something, y'all. How's y'all day? Man, my day is going pretty good. You just gotta go with the flow, honestly, of things. It's my message for today. Like this bird here. He's going with the flow though, you feel me? Just like me. Just like the Audi. Going with the flow, guys. Feel me? Yeah. So I'm about to let this Jeep warm up. Then I'll see you guys at the store. That's this car. Alright. I'm gonna get off the phone because the police don't want to see you like on your phone, like how I am. But yeah, we behind the wheel with it, you feel me? You guys got a Timmy hose by you? Shout out to all my Canadians. We come out to Canada to party. The women are beautiful. Don't even get me started. Really. Yeah, they love me out in Canada. JTSpeeds in Canada. One of these days we got to take the Audi out there to Canada. Have some fun. Yeah, that would be some fun. Insert clip of Audi. But yeah. How y'all feel about JTSpeeds being back? We in there like swimwear, as I would say on my other channels, y'all. It's just a lot going on right now. And we've arrived. We in there like swimwear. Let's get in here, bro. Look at my fuel, bro. Should I get fuel before or after the oil change, y'all? You tell me, man. Alright, man. We jacking the car.
Jack's auto repair was like already up. Like, that's a name.
It is. You can find a way to abbreviate it. Put a little Latin in there. I'm here at 345 Solo. Mopar gang, you feel me?
I already went to go get one. It's brand new.
Bro.
Stats for you. It's coming soon. It's coming soon.
Yeah, we gotta get the wicker bill on here. Shit. And it's this bolt. about to drop this cover so this oil filter can come out lickety split.
Now I see why niggas don't like laying down doing this shit. Shit's awkward. Bro, I need to see how long this bolt is, bro. This shit's making my arms tired.
Let me wrench on it.
Bro, this shit.
Let me have at it.
Let me see. See how that shit.
You gonna put an impact on it?
Hell no.
Shit, I sure would put that impact on it. I think I heard him down there doing that shit at the Valvoline. Ain't that right? Yeah, I sure did. I paid him a couple $100 to do it. Ain't no more. I'm gonna do that. Ain't no more.
Oh yeah, I forgot this was.
I'll get under the Jeep. Goddammit. Fuck it. I'll get under the goddamn thing. I gotta vlog this shit and struggle.
Nigga, imagine how the YouTubers be, bro, when they be trying to like the to-do-its for us, bro.
Alright.
Nigga, they had to go through the same shit.
I got that 12 on here, y'all. God dang it.
No,
It was a 13.
It's a 13?
Yeah. Hot dog it. I thought since it wiggled so much, I'm like, a 12 will fit on here. You had it spot on the first time. He said it was a 13.
Bro, did I break this wrench? No. Bitch, go on.
Man, are y'all ready to see that oil spill out this Jeep, y'all? How is that? Why is that cat over there? Check him out. Pussycat! Pussycat! Oh, I didn't broke the bolt, y'all. You know what I mean. Not broke it, but
Kaka, you wanna go see
I got her loose, y'all. It's my oil change virginity right here, y'all.
You wanna go see Roach? You wanna go see Uncle Roach? Come up. Look, you're spilling all your cereal, bro. Now it's yucky. Now it's yucky. Don't grab it off the floor. I'm about to fuck you up. What did you say?
I didn't spill that shit everywhere, y'all. I didn't fucking fuck up. I fucked up, y'all. That shit ain't catch nothing. That shit ain't catch nothing, y'all. Motherfucker. Well, I'll be damned. Oil everywhere. Oil everywhere, y'all. Fuck. Shit. I hit my head, y'all.
Keep thinking, please. Yeah. You keep things in there.
Alright, man, so we had the little accident or whatever. Y'all get the fast forward for YouTube, you feel me? So basically what happened is you take the oil plug out, spit the oil everywhere like me. Then after that, you take out the old oil filter, put in a new oil filter, put the new oil in, then at that point you just hop in the car. Yo, what's up? JTSpeeds here. We're currently sitting at 24 subscribers. Show some love, maybe we can get that count up. But my like goal count for this video, 1 like, maybe 2. if you guys really mess with me. But let me know. Hope you guys are having a good day. Yes, this was me breaking my car.